hindi mo siya mararamdaman talaga. Mas naka-foreground yung relationship ni Sophie with God. Pero makikita mo lang yung hints na kung paano na, kasi si Santa Teresa, yung relationship with God din, yun ang nanguna sa buhay niya. So parang parallelism siya. Hindi mo mararamdaman na ito yung pagtuturo niya. Makikita mo lang hints. It's all very subtle. Even God, kahit na Oh My G yung title, hindi siya, iba siya talaga. Hindi siya preachy, or we're trying not to be preachy. We're trying to relate to the young people. And at the same time, bilang nanay, kasi yung anak ko parang ka-age ni Janela gusto ko rin malaman kung anong nangyayari sa buhay nila. So, sana, what's this, we can maikwento namin ang kwento ng Diyos, ang kwento ni Santa Teresa, sa kakaibang paraan.
Puro karamihan ng nasa cast mo, puro mga bataan, di ba? Puro teenagers. How was it directing them, handling all of them? And also, how do you size up the talent of these young people who are under you?
Ang sisipag nila, hindi mo sila mapupuna for that. On the set, they come, they know their lines. Tapos kahit paulit-ulit, hindi ka makakarinig ng reklamo. And mararamdaman mo rin yung support nila sa isa't isa. Like for example, si Manolo, baguhan siya. So he's just nangangapa pa. Hindi mo na mararamdaman kay Janela or kay Marlo na na kakaiba yung treatment sa kanya. So ngayon everybody's nangangapa pa lang. We're all parang gelling into a team. Pero for right now, for yung pilot week, parang it's all looking good. Everybody's having fun. Even yung support cast, like for example, si Julia Buencamino, who's the daughter of Noni and Charmaine Buencamino. So iba-ibang mga iba-ibang talents, iba-ibang cast. There's lots of talent here, hindi lang sa main, and we're all very excited to work together.
Pakitanong nga natin yung mga ibang kabataan na hindi pa nagsasalita kung ano ang role nila dito sa each of them. Yung nandyan lang pero hindi pa nakasalita. O yung mga nagsayaw. Yan.
Hello, my name is Julia Buencamino, and the role I'm playing is Amy Chua. I'm Sophie's very best friend, and I'm always there for her. Like, katabi lang talaga palagi. And she's very kikay and very, they're very alike in the sense that they're very kikay, but she's also very compassionate towards Sophie, and throughout all the trials she's been through, she's always there for her.
Julia, si Charmaine ba nanay mo?
Papa.
Kasing galing ka ba ng nanay mo?
Those are big shoes pa to fill. So maybe, hopefully, someday.
Next, please.
Hi, I'm Veronica Reyes, and I play the role of Veronica. Kasi isa tayo dito. And actually, ako yung friend, isa sa best friend ni Roma, na magbibigay sa isa sa sakit ng ulo ni Sophie. We have this religious group, and parang ako yung hashtag alarm ng group, chismosa ng group, and hashtag ako yung pinaka-slow sa group. So medyo mahina ako makiguest dito sa Teresa Renato.
Hello po, ako po si Kate Alejandrino. I'm playing the role of Roma. Ako naman po hindi naman po yung kontrabida, pero ako po yung palaging kukontra kay Sophie, kasi unlike other kontrabidas, yung role ko very religious, conservative,